How to use AI cold calling for financial advisors. Script, AnyBiz. As a financial advisor, using AI to enhance cold calling can significantly boost your outreach effectiveness. AI-generated scripts help make each interaction count by being memorable and engaging. Unique and standout cold calling scripts can significantly increase the chances of successful engagement. Incorporating elements like humor and smart objection handling can leave a lasting impression on prospects. Sample script for a tech firm. Hi, prospect's name, I'm your name from Gigatech. Our software not only boosts efficiency but also cracks great jokes. How about a demo, and if it doesn't impress, I'll throw in my best joke. Eventbrite example. Hello, prospect's name. This is your name. I noticed your event ticketing could be smoother. We've boosted sales by 25% for similar events. Let's chat about some creative ideas this week. Lehman Brothers script. Good morning, prospect's name. I'm your name. Instead of a sales pitch, I'd like to share a market insight that might impact your portfolio. Let's make this call worthwhile. What do you think? Dream Homes Realty approach. Hi, prospect's name. Remember when electric cars seemed doubtful? That's us with real estate. We've been converting skeptics for over a decade. What hesitations do you have that we might address? Charles Schwab script. Hello, prospect's name. Investing can be nerve-wracking. What if I told you we have a strategy more like watching a sitcom? Less stress, more laughs. Let's discuss making your investment experience enjoyable. With AI technology, AnyBiz is transforming how financial advisors engage with clients by automating and optimizing sales and marketing, focusing efforts on providing top-notch advice and service. AI-driven tools from AnyBiz manage detailed aspects of lead generation and client engagement, enabling financial advisors to focus more on their core services. AI digital assistants act as automated sales development representatives, SDRs, conducting personalized and data-driven outreach across multiple channels, optimizing engagement opportunities. AnyBiz's AI operates 24/7, ideal for managing international clients across different time zones, ensuring that no opportunities are missed due to off hours, enhancing global client management. AnyBiz's AI analyzes over 10,000 data points hourly, identifying high-potential prospects and continuously refining strategies to increase conversion rates and ROI for financial advisors. AnyBiz automates email management, ensuring consistent and timely communication with prospects and clients, even during high-volume periods, without manual input. Don't close that window without leaving your mark, hit like, and subscribe to be the first in line for our upcoming releases.